But did you get to try Barney's Vend-O-Ball machine yet?
Not yet.
Really? Well, then it's your turn now.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
So why don't you push the bottom button and see what happens?
The bottom button?
Yeah.
Okay. The bottom button.
This is gonna be great.
The bottom button, bottom button, bottom button, bottom button, bottom button. Okay, here it is. Push the bottom button. There. It's spinning. Oh, a pink one. Look, Scooter. A green one. Oh, pink and green. Scooter, look. Oh, no. Oh, Scooter. Oh, Mommy. That's enough. No more. Oh, thank you. No more, please. Oh, go back. Oh, dear.
Guys, I need some help. A lot of help.
Help me.
Baby Rob's in trouble. Quick,